Understanding bid adieu in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into a beautiful and poetic phrase often used in the English language, bid adieu. By the end of this video, you'll know its meaning, origin, and how to use it appropriately. So, let's get started. Adieu is a French word that means farewell or goodbye. When English speakers say bid adieu, they are essentially saying say goodbye or offer farewell. Over time, this phrase has been adopted into English, and it carries a slightly formal or poetic nuance. To bid adieu is to formally say goodbye. It's often used when the farewell has a sense of finality, like when you're leaving a place or a person for a long time or even forever. Examples: after 20 years of service, Mr. Smith bid adieu to his job and retired. She bid adieu to her hometown before setting off on her worldwide adventure. It's important to note that while this phrase can be used in everyday conversation, it's more commonly found in literary contexts or in situations where a touch of drama or emotion is intended. 1. Avoid overuse. Since bid adieu has a formal and poetic feel, it's best not to overuse it in daily conversations. Save it for special occasions or when you want to add some dramatic flair. 2. Pair with appropriate context. Use bid adieu when the situation has a sense of finality. It might sound odd if you use it when leaving a cafe after coffee, but it's perfect when, for instance, graduating and leaving college. 3. Pronunciation. Remember, adieu is pronounced as adieu, but don't stress too much on perfecting the French accent. The anglicized pronunciation works just fine. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the phrase, bid adieu, with us. It's a beautiful expression that can add depth to your conversations, especially during heartfelt goodbyes. Always remember, language is not just about communication, but also about expressing emotions and stories. So, the next time you have to say a significant goodbye, you can confidently bid adieu. Happy learning!